so excited. My online makeup academy kit just got here, so let's open it up. Also, these are press-on nails by Luffle that I got off of TikTok shop. Look how freaking sick they are. I'm obsessed. Okay, you guys, so my online makeup academy makeup kit just came in the mail. I already opened up the box. Let's see what's inside. So it came with these online makeup academy photo submission forms. So when you do the module, the lesson, I guess you take a picture with these. This is like the bag. Different components. We'll look more into like the bag and everything after. I want to see what's inside. Okay, so that's super nice. A nice spot to put different products. You could put some brushes up in here. I like the fact that this is a wipeable material, so you could put your brushes up there. Okay, I got this beautiful brushes in this nice little case. So you can just fold it up and it snaps. I got this lipstick, these cream lipsticks. I got these cream concealers, and I love that it comes with the color correction concealers as well. Of course, we got the color wheel, so we can come back and look and see, you know, what colors that you mix for certain skin types, what colors go together, just so everything is cohesive and looks good. We got this palette. These colors in it, very pretty. Of course, to me, I feel like the most important thing of all is a palette and a spatula, so you're able to pull out your cream products, your foundations, and mix everything onto here so it's super sanitary. Instead of mixing it on the back of your hand, you're going to work from your palette and mix everything on your palette. We got the Online Makeup Academy Pro Line Blush Palette. So we got all these different color blushes right here. We got the Online Makeup Academy Pro Line Contour Blush and Highlight. So I like that. And I like how big the pans are. Gives you a lot of products. We got this 16 color eyeshadow palette. These colors are very pretty. I like the palette itself too. It looks like we got some concealers, and these look like they're cream concealers, so I like that. And then we got some eyelashes. Can never go wrong with lashes. And then, like I mentioned in the beginning, we got these Online Makeup Academy photo submission forms. So you put your name, your email, your module, your lesson, and your date. So I'm guessing those are when you're working on homework and a project, and you fill out one of these and maybe take a picture with it. I'm not quite sure. I'm not there yet in the course. So I'm super excited that this came today. I love the case that it came in as well. Has a nice handle right here. It does come with a strap, but later on down this process, I'll show you how I fill up my kit, how I add more products to it, and all that good stuff.